Good morning, you guys. I'm about to head out for work. I'm super duper tired as always. So hopefully taking this energy gonna really help me out. Cause if it do, I'm gonna be taking this every morning before work. It's 2:42. It's time for me to head out. I'll see y'all when I get to work. Hey y'all, 2:54. Found me a park. I don't gotta clock in till 3:10. So I'm about to take my energy. I put it in a napkin. My energy, can y'all see? It's bad lighting in here. My energy. Oh, I got my. Damn, you really can't see in this car. No too bad. I got an old ass car, y'all. I got 2005 Nissan Murano. This car gave me the A, and B, back to A. Girl, my coworker already fucking here. Alright, y'all. I gotta go. Hey, y'all. So, I'm back. I'm off work. Just got out the shower. So, I can see I had a rough day. My hair didn't shrunk up from the fog or whatever. But I'm about to I washed my face in the shower. Now I'm about to put my mask on. Oh, I'm so tired. Let me know if y'all want my skincare routine. Because my skin been really clearing up with the products I've been using. And, girl, I can't say girl just in case boys watching me. Boy, girl, y'all, loves. Let me tell you. So the skincare stuff that I be wearing is Salt XO and Moon X Cosmetics. And their stuff is very popular. So they always got to do restock dates because they always selling out. And the stuff that work good on my skin be like the most popular stuff. So like I be having to buy in bulk. But my stuff's starting to get low. And Salt XO restocked today. And the website was messing up. I'm like, what the heck? So like for at least 2 hours I just kept having to refresh. Like at a certain point I just gave up. Got in the shower. I was like, I'll try again later. And then they posted something on Instagram saying something that's wrong with the thing, with their website. And that they was going to fix the website, like put it on like for maintenance or whatever. And they was going to open it back up at 5 Eastern, which is 2 my time. For some reason, everything that I want to do, people that I try to communicate with, and all that type of stuff, are 3 hours ahead of me. So I always gotta play catch up. But anyways, I'm just making sure it's a thin layer. Not heck a thick so it dry evenly. But do y'all put masks? Like do y'all put the mask on your eyebrows? Cause I do, because I be having dark spots on my eyebrows and I have eczema in my eyebrows, so I'm like, it's skin underneath them eyebrows, so why not? And I put it just on the top of my eyelids, not too close. But yeah. Anyway, so they was like, they gotta do maintenance or whatever. on the website. But if you can, just keep trying to refresh it. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna try one more time. Then it finally worked, but the stuff that I really, really wanted was sold out. But they still had some stuff that I needed to restock on that I can use. So I was happy about that. But I'm gonna try again at 2 and see if the stuff say that it's restocked. But if it's not, then I'm gonna just wait till the next restock, because I got enough Moon Cosmetics, because Moon Cosmetics, they restocked on the 13th. And then Saw XO, they restocked today. So I'm gonna be good with skincare for now. Until then, yeah, I'm gonna just have to wait. I ain't got no choice at this point, because some of the stuff is sold out. And then I'm also trying to try something different, because like I said, no, I didn't say it. It was on Instagram. I'm trying to lighten up my dark spots on my elbows and, of course, my skin. And then I stopped shaving so I can try and wax myself. So that's going to be an experience. I used to give bikini waxes all the time, but then the last time that I went, I don't know why they decided to try a new hire on me, but they tried a new hire on me, and she ripped me so bad that I was bleeding and I was like scarred, so I never went back. So I went back to shaving, but I miss waxing, so I'm gonna wax my underarms myself, and if I do good on that, but as you can see, not a lot of hairs grow back under my arms, but if I do good on that, then I'm gonna do my legs. If I do good on my legs, then I'm gonna do my bikini. And yes, I will be filming that. So I just finished putting on my mask. It's exactly 1 o'clock, like it literally just turned to 1 o'clock just now, as y'all can see. So keep this on 15 minutes, and I'll be back to finish my skin product, and I'll see y'all later. I let my mask soak up in my skin. I'm just about to binge watch Lately Yours Truly last couple of videos. I've been binge watching her all week. I always stop watching a lot of my favorite YouTubers so they can like upload a whole bunch of videos, so then I can binge watch them like TV shows, because they like TV shows to me. So I'm just catching up on her videos. I think I only got like 3 or 4 more, because she uploaded another one yesterday. So I'm gonna just binge watch this, drink my ISOT that I made this morning. I was gonna drink it at work, but we got so busy, as you can see my hair, so I didn't have time. So I'm gonna finish drinking this, and then by the time I'm finished, my baby should be out the shower. He just woke up and take nap from work. We can just get No, because I didn't really eat nothing. But I'll weigh myself. Well, it ain't gonna be no point, huh? Where? Oh. Say hi to YouTube. He came to get me, y'all. He trying to support me. He was gonna have us walk to go get some food from the car wash instead of us just driving there. But now plans have changed. But I appreciate the effort. Don't roll your up. I didn't say nothing was wrong with walking. I said I appreciate you for pushing me to work out and stuff. No. Y'all, I'll see y'all when we leave the car wash. Bye. Hey loves, just got back from eating lunch with baby. He just dropped me off at home and went on his way to school. Today is what? Day 2 or day 3? Yeah, day 2. I'm not a drinker. Like, I used to drink, okay? And I'm about to be 27, as y'all know from the challenge. So when I was younger, I used to drink. But now, I don't drink like that. Except for like when I'm going out to eat. Or like if we eating something nice, then I'll drink some wine. But I'm not a drinker and I don't party or nothing like that. Been there, done that. So me and baby went to Chili's and I got this new drink called Dreamy Froze Margarita. When I say that shit was so strong, I'm like, oh my God. And I'm supposed to be on this journey. And alcohol make you gain weight. But I'm like, it's just one drink. I'm not a drinker like that. So that ain't going to affect me. And we don't eat out that much since the pandemic. Like, stuff is just now starting to, like, open up on the inside in the Bay Area. So that one drink ain't going to, like, affect me because I still haven't finished my detox drink. And I still got hella ounces of water to go. So that's going to be cleansed out before the end of the day. So I'm not tripping. But y'all know how I ain't been getting no sleep. And I've been working early hours at the airport. And it's just like, I feel really good right now. I'm finna take a nap. Then I'm gonna wake up and do my workout for the day. I'm gonna make sure I record. And yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Bye. Oh yeah, I also, oh my gosh. I also wanted to say, like, is it just me or like do restaurant drinks be stronger than like drinks at the club or like drinks you make yourself or whatever? Like, I don't know. And it's always like the fruity drinks that you be like, oh, you can't taste this, but you could taste this one. Whoever made my drink, that shit was strong. I couldn't taste no strawberry, no lemonade, no nothing, just straight alcohol. But every time when I go to a restaurant, I be like, damn, that shit don't taste like nothing. And next you know, boom, it hits you. So I don't know. They be making a shit strong so you eat more or whatever, but I don't know. Or they make you buy these drinks and they be hecka strong, then you want to buy another one. And then the food be tasting hecka good, but it might be mediocre, but you lit, so you don't care, you just want to eat. Because my pasta was good. I saved me something to eat later, so yeah, that's all I want to say. Let me know in the comments if you feel the same way I do. Y'all, mind you, I'm 4'9", so shit hit me faster than it would an average height person. So, sorry. This is me. Litty Kai, lit. Bye, y'all. Bye. My waist trainer on. can get this workout started. I told y'all. And I actually slept longer than I was supposed to for my workout. But that's okay. I'm still gonna get it done. Oh well, that's on me. That is on. Oh, Jesus. Y'all, my bed hanging out at the bottom. I can't even. Just feel like I ain't getting it right. One, two. Oh, that's a little bit better. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. Boom. Got my tea.
Hey guys, this is a quick 8 minutes full body warm up routine that you can do before any of your workouts of the day. We've got 16 exercises.
Just a quick 15-minute workout. It's like a warm-up, but that took out a lot out of me. Just from doing that little warm-up, that really wasn't a lot. Just shows how out of shape I am. That's all I've been able to do so far. I want to do 2 videos. I'm gonna push myself tomorrow. But it's almost 9 o'clock. It's 8:43 right now. My bedtime is 9:30. So I have to get up at 2 in the morning for work. So yeah. And I'm off Sundays and Mondays, so tomorrow after work, I'm not gonna hop straight in the shower. I'm gonna do those 2 workouts full out to push myself. And on Sunday and Monday. Let me go get in the shower and I'll come back to y'all when I'm done. So I just got out the shower and put my face products on and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm finna go to sleep. Good night, you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment on this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.